let's see how it is with this BCD Stealth Tec 2.0 from Xdeep. Nice package. I have the box with the BCD inside and some accessoires to modify a bit. Let's see. So, beautiful box. Oh, fancy. Look at that. Like a real nice body. What do we have here? Official Xdeep part. This one feels like bungee cord. Okay, this one plate. I think this is if you wanna put the canister light. This I will not probably use for what they're intended for, because I will use instead this. I get this the little bungee cord that they propose to use with this one for the side, and to use this triangle here, but I will do something else. So I will have a different setup for myself, and also I will also take away this one, and I will use the normal D-ring, and I will as well put the bungee cord loop with that tree glide as well. So some modification are needed indeed, but looks very nice. Then we have the manual. So this one, take it out. So sturdy, well done, very nice build. From here, there we go. So, looks pretty good. We'll have to do some adjustment, modification. I learned a bit from others. I watched a bit online videos. So, nice, good work to go. Now, after a couple of hours, I finished to do the setup modification of my new wing Sidemount from Xdeep Stealth 2.0 Tec. So I will still have to have a final adjustment of the length of the straps, but that I will do on site when I have the full dry suit and undersuit on, just to be sure that they are perfect. That's not very complicated, because you act only on these four pieces of strap. It's pretty straightforward to do quite quickly micro adjustment. So now let's see which modification I did. Well, first of all, I added those two tree glides because I still have to finish, but I will do the bungee loop going in the back. They're attached here, and they will stay. The two loops will gonna be on the external side of my shoulder straps. This one has another eye, because I can easily put the inflator like that. In this way, I have separated the D-rings where I can put accessories like lights or whatever else. And I can also adjust the actual position of the bungees separately from the position of the D-rings and the tool. So I can leave this one a bit higher and this one a bit lower. Also with this one it's a bit more convenient and comfortable. I also added a line cutter on the shoulder since I have it. It's from Marek's extended range, 2-blade ceramic and titanium. Then what else? Well, yeah, here. Okay, here. Originally the wing comes with this arrangement for D-ring movement, movable D-ring. Well, they also sell separately from Xdeep this system, which is much sturdy, better, easier to handle underwater. So I have replaced that. I have, since I was there, I added 2 D-rings, 4 stages for when I would do tech dives. And I have removed from the belt this triangle trig light that was meant to control the side of the wing. So kind of this, to keep it tight to the body. Well, it's still quite some hardware, which I found out is not really necessary, investigating online videos of people that have much more experience than me. So what I did, I took it off and I did 2 loops on the side of the wing with this hook, which I will just put like this. Actually, you pass it through the scotch strap and it takes like this. So I can remove hardware from the belt, which I gain space to put the rings for stages. I obtain the same effect with less hardware. Last but not least, I added another, since I added another more traditional steel blade line cutter on scotch. So, and that's it. So I will just complete this one, and then the wing is ready for the field. Now that the setup of the Xdeep Tec Sidemount wing is completed, including the bungees and everything else, let's have a look at the regulator set. Here are 2 transmitters from Shearwater, nothing extraordinary there. Let's have a look. Ooh, that's quite a bag. Look at that bag. Instruction. Let's see. That bag is really. Oh, I mean, this kind of regulator is worth only for this bag. Very technical. So, boom. Let's open and see what's inside. We have a shoulder strap. Okay. Oh, here in the pouch we have little MTX-R. So let's put it like this. This is the type of regulator, which is a military grade for cold water. Supposed to be very sturdy, very resistant. Okay, that's inflator for dry suit and for the wing. Then what do we have here? Here we have bolt snap, see. Let's have a look. Okay, here's all the, here's the exhaust, in case you want to change. Bow snap is put on the and you're probably O-ring, I think, yes. Just to fix the bolt snap on the second stage hose to fix it on the D-ring. Here we have bungee connector, bungee cord for the other second stage, the one that you keep it here under your chin. So you see later on. Here we have, I guess, considering the weight, this is the two. I think it's written, but I think it's the two. Yes. First stage. Oh, that's big. Big and heavy. This one twist. Very MTX Apeks. That's quite a heavy stuff. I have other Apeks regulator, but the first stage is not that heavy. That's really heavy stuff. So, okay. Then we have here the two second stages. So, this is the one that stays under the neck with the 90-degree swivel. Very nice. Short hose, because it's supposed to stay just right here. And the other one with a long hose. So that goes around the neck. Well, that's it for now. Quite, I know, oh, that's what I forgot, yeah. That was missing, in fact. The two manometer SPG, so-called submersible pressure gauge. Okay, I guess it's time to mount everything up and see how it goes, and then put them on the tanks. We're getting there. Cool. All done. In an afternoon I set up the wing, I set up the regulator set, put on the tanks with air transmitter, set up even the that computer, so basically ready to go. There's not much else left than just jump into the water and see how this everything works together.